Okay, here we're going to find the amplitude, period, phase shifts, and vertical shifts of the function y equals negative 3/4 cosine of x plus pi minus 5. So the amplitude will be the absolute value of negative 3/4, which will give us 3/4. That'll be the amplitude. The period is going to be 2 pi divided by the absolute value of b. Again, the b value is what's in front of the parentheses. You can imagine there's a invisible 1 there. So the period is still going to equal 2 pi. So if we think about the phase shifts, or the phase shift or the vertical shift when compared to cosine, what's going to happen? Well, the phase shift, or the horizontal shift, it's basically going to be shifted to the left. It's going to be shifted to the left, and again, I'm looking inside the parentheses. I see this plus pi. It's going to be shifted to the left pi units. So I see positive pi, but it actually goes left to the left pi units. And to get the vertical shift, I look at the number on the very outside. So we've got a negative 5 there. It's going to be, it'll look like the graph of cosine x, except it's going to be shifted down. Shifted down 5 units. Okay, so that's the idea. If you know the graph of cosine x, you can do a few different things to get the graph of this one. The amplitude of negative 3/4, well, that would actually compress it a little bit, just a little bit, but the negative would also flip it about the x-axis. And then we would move that graph to the left pi units, and then we would take that whole graph and move it down 5 units.